Hi and welcome to Outwell. Our air tube repair kits allows you to bring a universal spare tube when you go camping in your air tent. We have color-coded the repair kits, and on outwell.com we provide diagrams showing which tubes can be replaced by which repair kits. You can easily look at the diagram for your tent and determine which color you need. As you unpack your air tube repair kit, you will find 2 stickers for the air tubes, a replacement valve and valve tool, and of course a replacement internal bladder for your air tube. In this video we will go through how to use the air tube repair kit to repair your air tube if it has been damaged by an accident. Here we have a tent where a neighboring tent has lost a peg in the storm, and the peg has gone straight through the tent's fly sheet, tube and everything. First we need to remove the air tube that we want to repair. It is important you deflate the tube before you start the removal. Then cut open the cable tie on the outer tube casing to gain access to the internal bladder. Never do this or open the casing when the internal bladder is inflated. The air tube system on your tent consists of 3 separate parts. There's the fabric sleeve on your tent attaching the air tube to the tent. The air tube itself is made up of 2 different parts. There's an internal air bladder, which is the part we inflate. This is protected by an outer casing, which gives the tube its shape and also helps protect the air bladder. Use the valve tool to unscrew and remove the valve from the tube. If the valve is okay, we will use this later in the new tube. With the valve removed, you can pull out the air bladder from the casing. Insert the replacement bladder into the tube casing. Secure the bladder in place by screwing the valve through the casing and bladder, and continue to install the bladder into the casing. Making sure to not twist it during this process. Roll up the bladder from the opposite end of the valve to adjust the length to fit with the tube casing. Once it is the desired length, you tape it in place. Carefully zip close the outer tube casing, being careful not to snag the bladder on the zipper. Secure the zipper using a cable tie. Now all that is left is inserting the tube back into the tent fabric sleeve. A great trick for this is to lightly inflate the air tube to give it some shape before reinstalling it into the tent. Make sure to line up the valve correctly. And once everything is in place, all that is left is closing the tent sleeve and inflating the tube.